Last video we study the land preparation. Land preparation should be asked as a rainfed or irrigated cotton crop. Number one, we explain or study the rainfed cotton crop land preparation. First point, what is note down? First point, that is the compulsory or common. Cotton crop required clean, soft and fine seed bed. Number second, after harvesting of previous crop, stubbles of previous crop, weed plants are collected and destroyed by burning outside of the field. Then one day ploughing is given. After every 3 to 4 years, one time, 3 to 4 years, every after 2 to 3 years, and then land is exposed for sunlight for 1 to 1.5 months. After that, light commencement of monsoon rainfall. After that, light commencement of monsoon rainfall, clods are crushed with the help of clod crusher or given 3 to 4 crosswise harrowings. Then the soil, these harrowings are given crosswise so that land is also leveled and clouds are also crushed as a fine or soft. Soil becomes soft. Then last point we should note down that at the time of last harrowing, 15 to 20 cartloads FYM per hectare mix with soil properly. That time we should also note the while FYM mixing, that time 10% forage granules are also mixed with FYM to control the soil-borne pest. Then second type of land preparation, we should note down the land preparation for irrigated cotton crop. Same point one, number 1 point, what is we write, listen, that is cotton crop required clean, soft and fine seed bed. Number second, it is also same. After harvesting of previous crop, stubbles and weed plants are collected and destroyed by burning outside of the field. Number next, one day ploughing is given up to 20 to 25 centimeter deep, and then land is exposed for sunlight for 1 to 1.5 months. After that, light commencement of monsoon or just before or just after the commencement of monsoon rainfall, 2 to 3 crosswise harrowings are given to crush the clods. And at the time of last harrowing, 25 to 30 cartloads FYM per hectare mix with soil properly. After that, land is prepared. By opening the ridges at a specific distance. In medium soil, ridges are open at 75 to 100 centimeter apart from each other, and in heavy soil, it is also open 100 to 120 centimeter apart from each other. So we carefully listen this point. Land preparation or preparatory tillage. Question should be also asked as a specific information of irrigated cotton crop or rainfed cotton crop. That time we should also ask these specific points. So we carefully listen or study these points. Then we study the next point, time of sowing. Time of sowing, irrigated cotton crop and rainfed cotton crop. This is also separate point or separately or carefully notice or note down in your mind. Number 1, rainfed cotton crop. Rainfed cotton crop is also grown or sown for June to first week of July. Rainfed cotton crop, June to first week of July. Now second, irrigated cotton crop, then we on the irrigated cotton crop. That is the 15th to 13th May in Vidarbha region and in Marathwada region, first week of May. These are the sowing time of cotton crop. Then we study the next point, which are also sowing depth of cotton crop, which is also asked for 1 mark, fill in the blanks. Desi cotton varieties and American cotton varieties sowing depth is different. Desi cotton varieties sowing depth is 2 centimeter deep into the soil, and American cotton varieties it is the 5 to 6 centimeter deep into the soil. Now we study the seed rate. Seed rate is also 3 types, which is based or depend upon the types of varieties. We study the types of varieties. Number 1 Desi cotton varieties, number 2 hybrid varieties, number 3 American cotton variety. So on the basis of types of variety, seed rate is various or variations in seed rate. So carefully we should ask these points, 2 points mix or combine in one question for 2 marks. Each point should be 1 mark. That time we ask seed rate or spacing in cotton. Seed rate and spacing in cotton, seed rate and yield of cotton, or yield or spacing and yield of cotton. Also 2 points are combined and we ask for 2 marks. That time we should notice or carefully note down these points. Number 1 seed rate. Desi cotton varieties, it is the 12 to 15th kilogram per hectare. American cotton varieties, it is the 8 to 10 kilogram per hectare, and hybrid cotton varieties, it is the 3 to 4 kilogram per hectare. These are the seed rate of cotton. Next point, we study the spacing of cotton. Spacing means distance between plant to plant and row to row. That is, the spacing is important. It also asks for tabular information, half marks. That time we should notice or remember these points. Desi American varieties, it is the 45 by 22 centimeter. For American cotton varieties, it is 60 by 30 centimeter. Hybrid cotton varieties which are grown as a rainfed, that is the 90 by 60 centimeter. And hybrid cotton varieties which are grown as irrigated, that is 120 by 90 centimeter. These are the spacing. Any one of these, which is when we ask in tabular information, any one should be write down. Then we study the seed treatments in cotton. There are most important point, seed treatments in cotton. There are different seed treatments are given in cotton crop before the sowing of seeds. These seed treatments or purpose or objects of treatment are different as its type or method. Generally, there are 4 seed treatments are given. Number 1 water soaking treatment. Number 2 cow dung slurry treatment. Number 3 concentrated S2SO4 treatment or acid diluting treatment or sulfuric acid treatment. And number 4 organomercurial fungicide compound treatment. So we first study the water soaking treatment. When initially note down the types of seed treatment, then explain each. It should be explain or write broad or explain carefully. Number 1 water soaking treatment. What is water soaking treatment? Seeds are deep in fresh water for some time. That is, time is depend upon the types of varieties. Number 1, so we study the water soaking treatment. First point we should note down, that is object of this treatment. In even seed treatment, when we write that time, we should firstly its object. Number one, object of this treatment is early and quick germination of seeds. Number second, this treatment is given for 2 to 6 hours. For Desi cotton varieties, it is soaked in water for 2 to 3 hours. And for American cotton seed, it is given for 4 to 6 hours. First point to second point we should write down, that is the 2 to 6 hours, that is the Desi cotton varieties 2 to 3 hours and American cotton varieties 4 to 6 hour time. Then seeds which are floated on the surface of water, these seeds are removed and only accumulated seeds which are accumulated at the bottom of bucket, these seeds are taken for sowing. After that, these seeds are taken out from the bucket and dried in a shade. When seeds are treated with any one solution, that time it is also always dried in a shade, not in sunlight. This one treatment. Number second, cow dung slurry treatment. The object of this treatment is convenience in sowing. Convenience in sowing because when seeds are detached from mother plant or fruit, that time that seeds are entangled with each other due to its fuzz. Fuzz means fiber. So removing of this fiber, when we sow the seeds, that time these seeds are entangled with each other. So removing of this fuzz, some treatments are given removing of these fuzz. Second treatment, that is the cow dung slurry treatment. So what is the object we notice? The object of this treatment is convenience in sowing. Number next, initially before the sowing, seeds are entangled with each other due to fuzz. So cow dung slurry is important to separation of seeds from these fuzz. So equal part of cow dung and fine soil is taken and thick slurry is prepared. After that, the seeds are rubbed with cow dung slurry, and after that it is dried in a shade. This treatment helps to separation of seeds from each other. Otherwise, when this treatment is not given, these seeds are entangled with each other and sowing time required more. So this treatment is given convenience in sowing or easily separation of the seeds. Seeds are separate from each other. Number third treatment, acid delinting or concentrated H2SO4 treatment. This treatment is also asked for only 2 marks in question number 2 or question number 3. That time point should be asked as a acid delinting treatment or concentrated H2SO4 treatment or otherwise sulfuric acid treatment in cotton crop. First we notice the object of this treatment. What is the object of this treatment? What is the object? Object of this treatment is burning of fuzz or lint which are attached around the seed. Last time we study the cow dung slurry treatment. In that we study the fuzz. Number second, concentrated H2SO4 acid is taken and seeds are spread in a thin layer on a hard surface of ground. Then the H2SO4 pour on it slowly and it is stirred with stick and allowed to complete burning of lint. Lint means that is the first. Number next, burning of lint is known as a acid delinting. So this treatment is also known as a acid delinting treatment. Then next point we write, after that these seeds are taken out and initially washed in a lime water solution, then 3 to 4 times, then it is washed in a fresh water under the tap water. After that these seeds are dried in a shade and used for sowing. This treatment helps convenience in sowing. Our last treatment, organomercurial fungicide compound treatment. Organomercurial fungicide compound treatment. What is organomercurial fungicide compound? The object of this treatment is, what are the object? The object of this treatment is to prevention of seed-borne as well as soil-borne diseases like wilt, bacterial blight, which are attacked at the initial growth stages of the crop. So before the sowing of seeds, it is treated with fungicide compound like agrosan, cyrosan, monosan, bavistin. These are the organomercurial fungicide compounds. So how it is we now write down or explain the object of this treatment or object of organomercurial fungicide compound is to prevention of seed-borne as well as soil-borne diseases, that is like wilt or bacterial blight. Number second, before the sowing of seeds, fungicide compound like monosan 5 to 7 gram per kg seeds or cerosan or bavistin 2 to 5 gram per kg seeds rub properly, and after that it is used for sowing. So now we study carefully the acid delinting treatment in cotton. We should ask for it 2 marks. When and one point also ask say treatments in cotton. That time these 4 are must be explained. These 4 treatments must be explained. So we study carefully.